Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Children, we are finished history 1 unit. History, geography 1 lessons. Yes, 2 lessons we have finished, and we wrote some classes work also. Yes, history first full we finished, but in the geography we finished answer in one word or answer the briefly. Yes or no? Yeah. Today we are going to write the remains balance questions. Now all of you take your social book, classwork note, pen, pencil, everything you take it first. Page number 152. Children, in this one, that day we wrote 4 questions. Okay, 6 also finished, but a little mistake is there. Please correct it. Okay, if any mistake is there, means please correct it. Choose the correct answer. First answer is A. First answer is A. Second question answer is C. Plates. Third question answer is B. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Fourth, the narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called vent. So A, C, B, A. Fifth answer is A. Choose the correct answer. Fifth answer is A. Stromboli. Sixth answer is A. Circum-Pacific belt is known as the ring of fire. Did you finish, ma'am? Fill in the blanks. First answer is Weichardt-Gutenberg discontinuity. Second question, seismograph. Third one, magma rises to the surface and spreads over vast area is known as fissure eruptions. Fourth one is Helens. Fifth one is earthquakes. Write it fast, children. Did you finish, ma? Okay, now circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. You put circle, okay? Answer is given there. You put the circle, okay? See, for example, crust, magma, core, mantle is given. You put the circle magma. Okay, put circle, okay? In the magma you write circle. You put circle. Second one, vent. Third one, Krakatoa. Fourth one, silica. Fifth one, Buji Ama. Did you finish? Now we are going to write match the following. Match the following. First, earthquake. What will come? Sudden movement. Sudden movement. Saima. silica and magnesium. Silica and magnesium. Third one, Pacific Ring of Fire, world volcanoes. Tsunami, Japanese from must count, Africa. So in the number ways how you want to write means 4 5 1 2 3, 4 5 1 2 3. Okay, did you finish? Now we are going to write, consider the following statement and tick the correct approximate answer. Consider the following statement and tick the approximate answer. First one answer is A. First one answer is A. Second one answer is also A. Second one answer also A. Now all of you take your classwork note. Did you finish book activities? Now all of you take your social classwork note. See, in this classwork note we wrote answer in one word, answer the following briefly. Now we are going to write give reason. No one has been able to take samples from the entire to the earth. Why? Because the central core has very high temperature and pressures. So no one be able to take. Okay. Write it fast. I give the time to you. Write it in the classwork note. Okay, children? Write fast. Second question. The continent crust is less dense than the oceanic crust. Why? Because it is a thickness and less dense than the organic oceanic crust. So it is very difficult to take. Because it is made of the light and dense rock times. So it is little difficult only. Okay. Did you finish? Okay, now we are going to write distinguish between. Children, now you are going to write the distinguish between SAL and SIMA. So SAML is one of the upper part, SIMA is the lower part. So it consists silica and alumina, and it consists main material of the silica and magnesium. Okay. So take your pencil and write it whatever I given here like this. Okay. Write it fast. Write it, children. Children, I gave you a third, but you write two, okay? Only two distinguish between only, okay, children? You put this symbol, otherwise you put 1, 2, 3 also inside, okay? Did you finish? Answer the following questions in detail. Write about the effects of the earthquake. This is little big question only. You write it. Next I will give the next slide, okay? Write it fast, ma. Little I'm moving. You write one point. Okay, see and write. That's I'm moving little only. 5 is another danger. Next we want write underground water system is disturbed. This much only, okay? How many points is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points, okay? 7 points for the answer the following in detail. Did you finish? Now question number 2. Describe the calcifications of volcanoes based on the eruptions. Answer. There are 3 types of volcanoes based on eruptions. 3 continuous answer is in the down, okay? It will come next pages. So you write first this one, okay? Because if I gave full means you cannot be write the handwriting will be very slow. The letters will be very small. So that's why I'm giving like this, okay, children? Continuous answer only, okay? want to write three volcanoes, about three volcanoes. Okay, children? Now we are writing active volcanoes about them. Yes. Now dominate volcanoes. Write it. I will give the time to you. Okay, children? Write. Continuous answer only. Okay, children? See, if you're writing one heading means extreme volcanoes, active elements, you put lines. Okay, children? This much only. Second question. Okay? Write it fast. First question and second question we are going to finish now, and we are going to write third question. Okay, write it fast, write clearly, write neatly, children. Don't ever never skip the video, you will miss the points. Now third question. Name the major zones of volcanic activity and explain any one. See, three volcanic activities are there. Okay, so three you want to write, and after you explain only one volcanic activity. Okay, children? Okay, write it. Continuous answer is in the back side. This is third answer only. This is third answer. Write neatly, children. Some children's handwriting is not good. Please write it fast and write neatly. Some children are writing very good. Maintain this handwriting. Okay, children? Continuous answer is there. Did you finish, ma? So we are finished. Book activities 2 lessons. Book activities 2 lessons and homework classwork full finished. Yes. Now I am giving the homework to you. Label the parts of volcano. Page number 153. Take your book. Page number 153. Label the parts of volcano. Okay. You mark and send to me. Okay. Sorry, now while you come to the school I will check the answer. Okay, you label the parts of volcano. Thank you, children.